So y'all just be yourselves. It don't matter, okay? Ready?
Good.
Oh, up close and personal. Alrighty, what's Gucci, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing our Ratchet playlist. Each of us here has 5 songs, and we're gonna twerk it out, yak it out, you know, do toot it and boo whatever you want to do. First of all, y'all, let's introduce y'all. What's your name, girl?
Yeah,
my name's Jackie. So
call her Twerkina because you know what that booty do. Yeah, you already know me, so let's do it.
So we're basically gonna play them on Spotify.
Are these on mine?
So the first 5. So if y'all want to go ahead and follow me on Spotify, we'll have this playlist linked down below. And also, if you guys want to follow them or anything, their social medias will be linked down below, because I'm shouting them out because they came out in my channel today. So yeah. Anyways, we hope you guys enjoy this, and please like, comment, share to your sister, your brother, your mama, your auntie, anybody,
your neighborhood.
First, we gotta stretch.
Stretch it out before you start yiking it and twerking it. You know. Yeah, stretch it out. This is a lit atmosphere, okay, y'all? Let's get into Zen mode.
The first song I'm gonna play is called Panoramic. Sage the Gemini.
Okay, she gonna put you on something new or some classic. If y'all
some classic from the Bay, a Bay Area legend.
Hey, turn this up.
Maximum volume.
How you do that? I'm trying to pursue that. Drop it down on the nigga, do damage. Put him on left or right, panoramic.
Only dancing for that profit, shake it faster than an usher.
I probably blocked already.
You know the song, baby. You got that one.
Drop it down.
The next song is a song that I dedicate to this little hoe right here.
Yeah.
Sage the Gemini song.
Oh,
Let's just.
Get that classic information, guys.
gotta look back. Yeah,
She got
look
her
back.
package, she don't do the front. She love it, she thirsty niggas trying to let a nigga know. She don't do more than me.
And this is why she talks Twerkina, because she can be lit.
This one is like, just the whole Bay knows it, so.
Yeah, you ain't from the Yay area if you don't know this song, okay? Turn that up. Hey.
Oh, get it out. I got it.
You know when you hear that one song and it's just like an inside memory to y'all, and you're like, ooh, girl. And it's called Gucci featuring Cool John and I Am Sue.
Gucci man, that's all I see. Gucci man, that's all I see. You know I can't stand me, I hate beats. I'ma take my dress cause I might feed. It getting straight like lightning. And I don't want it to be
Some deodorant snacks. We got you if you get into it.
With everything. Y'all, like I said, A from the Bay, if y'all don't know this song. Like, literally, we used to sit in my uncle's scraper in the back in the days and listen to this song. And just be like, mobbing with our uncle. We was probably like 3 or 4 years old. Yeah. This is called No, H-O-E, dirty version. So,
No, that's what
if y'all under 13.
No, bitch,
She wasn't supposed to say.
Oh.
We don't give a fuck about
It's deep.
So anyways, we gonna do my playlist now. Mine's gonna be the latest, just saying.
No, mine's gonna be the littest because it got a mixture. I just gotta tell y'all that.
Okay, anyways.
Okay.
Anyways, back to me. You know, when your girls, when your girls, I'm so weird. When your girls hear this song and you're like, y'all look at each other and you're like, okay.
That's my song.
Cupcake, no feeling, I ain't got time cause I got a lot of women. Cupcake, no feeling, I ain't got time cause I got a lot of women. Cupcake, no feeling, I ain't got time cause I got a lot of women. Cupcake, no feeling, I ain't got time cause I got a lot of women.
No feeling. All a nigga need is some sexual healing. All I wanna do is
Yeah. In between like our little group.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Cause Beatrice over here.
Shout out to you, Becky. You already know. We're gonna bring it back with Travis Porter.
Bruh, I had that song.
She shake your head, one cheek, two cheek, both cheek. Holy shit!
Whoa.
All this money on
Y'all know
me,
that red nose? I
I
got it
can't
right
take
here.
it from the G. All she tryna do is get naked. And she gon' shake it like a red nose. Like a red. I told her shake it like a red nose pit bull. And I'ma keep.
You know it. Ooh.
We can do it like a rock star. Session in my hotel room, baby, so loud. Why is it all so complicated? Baby, this should be simple. It's gonna be mental. But when you back it up, it really does me crazy. And you know what I'm into. Maybe forget what we arguing about, yeah. We can do it like a rock star. Session in my hotel room, baby, so loud. Higher than a
It's my turn now. You know.
The first place that I hype you, so bitch come and say to my face you don't like me.
Dude, I'm getting sleepy.
Okay, the next one is from my twin. You know, I gotta represent for my twin, YG.
What's up? What's that on that beat? Oh. Police pull up. I'm trying to stash the Glock. You love. I got a shawty named Texas and she got a buddy named JB, and now you know the deal. We turned up in the studio late night. That's why the songs that you hear coming real tight. OVO crew. Too big and my gang too big. Young money shit, me and Lil Wayne too big. I'ma crush that ass even if it ain't too big. I would pinky sweat, but my pinky ring too big.
Hey, that's all in my love.
Bitch, who you love?
YG400.
Sorry, I had to cut you off earlier. So, this one, the talking introduction.
Snap. Now make that motherfucker hammer time like boy stupid, no stupid. Do it. Bounce that ass, just around this. You the best, you deserve a crown, bitch.
We get turned up. We get turned
Yeah, let's go.
I can't do that.
like this video if you think we got lit and ratchet. If not, well, you still like it, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna leave her little handles or social media clips right here. Where you want it? We'll leave it right here for you to see. And then go ahead and follow Yayita if y'all want to keep.
Y'all want to get
see more videos like this, please comment,
ratchet.
like, share, and subscribe because your guys' feedback is really important. Anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed and see you guys on the next one.